the shift in drivetrain technologies, automation, and increased customer focus on experience and mobility service are fundamentally changing car design. The question is, how can the design process keep up with the accelerated innovation cycles? In the heart of Germany is a company like no other. Leading manufacturer of clay milling machines, Kolb, are challenging the status quo for leading-edge vehicle modeling. Together with Autodesk, the company is shaping the future of design studios. In an industry where vehicle styling teams have smart computers on hand, a well-established design tool perseveres. Clay models continue to be used as a collaboration tool where everyone can get around the car and brainstorm three-dimensionally. The pressure is mounting for companies to turn designs around faster and work more efficiently. Autodesk's PowerMill and PowerInspect software serves to reduce material waste, speed up design to manufacturing, while running the Kolb machine with ease. This is a world where technical expertise and craftsmanship come together. These tools bring the designs to life. Scanning and re-engineering advances the next stage of the clay modeling process. Every part of the model can be scanned and digitized in real time to provide every team member with updates of the latest design versions. This bridges the gap between the physical and digital world of vehicle design, ensuring designers, clay, and digital modelers can work in lockstep on the very latest iteration of the design. The final vision is brought to reality as the design concept comes to life in Autodesk Alias and VRED software, using VR to close the loop from digital to physical and back to digital. Converge your design and manufacturing processes to build your studio and secure your place in the future of automotive design.